Welcome to Ollie's workshop, and let's get straight into this project. I was mostly inspired by the K-pop fashion and the general fashion trends of this year. I then drew up some concept art, and here's what I have. For the head, I wanted the doll to have bright hair and makeup and gave her pink streaks and green liquid eyeliner. For the outfit, I got a bit ambitious and decided to give her 3 different outfits, like a real doll. The one shown is more of a softer look with light pink as the main color. The second look is more bright and fun with the statement piece being the bright green top. Lastly is the more sophisticated / going out look with the silky pink dress being the main piece. If you're already interested in this doll, be sure to check it out on my Etsy shop and others like it. Now it's time to make this doll. For this doll, I chose Farrah Goodfairy's body and Draculaura's head as her leg was broken. Farrah's body was pretty dirty, so I had to clean it up. Once the body was clean, I grabbed my X-Acto knife and sand block and took off any of the extra lines or underwear on the doll. Farrah's body didn't have a neck peg, so I ended up having to whittle down a wooden stick and glue it in the neck. She also didn't have hands, so I grabbed Frankensteins and painted them a similar color. Now for the clothes. I began cutting out all the pieces from the patterns I made. The green fabric for the top was frayable, so I did have to seal it. I then began to cut out the fabric from the patterns. Once that was done, I filled a new bobbin and began sewing. Like usual, I used a pencil to help me sew the sleeves so that way I wouldn't sew the ends together. I then made the pleated skirt by folding in the pleats, which was complicated for me, so if you do have trouble with that, I recommend watching the video below. And then I ironed down the pleats, painted on the pink stripes, and sewed down all the pleats. The bangs on Draculaura was pretty thick, so I did cut some of it off to replace it with my neon pink. I then repoked the holes in the doll's head, like usual, and rerouted with hair from the doll planet. Once I was finished, I used Elmer's glue wall to seal the hair and let it dry overnight. The next day, I used hot water to settle down the hair and began cutting bangs for the first time. It took me a while to get it right, but I think it turned out pretty well. I then sealed off the hair and began to wipe off the face. I then showed off the face of Mr. Super Clear, which took about a week because I totally forgot how to use it, and then I began to draw the face. During my first run of trying to draw the face, it looked like an absolute nightmare.
A nightmare. It's literally a nightmare.
But after my second trial, it looked a bit off, but after using paint, it finally looked better. I then added the little details like sparkly freckles and face stickers, and then added on her dark lip gloss.
What you know about me? What you know about me?
Lastly, I added on her liquid eyeliner and some Pearl-X powders. And I was finished. I'm super happy with the face, and I'm really glad I redrew it as it looks so much better, especially with the hair. The last thing for me to do on the head was tie up her little ponytails. This was surprisingly difficult for me because I did not know how to do it.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
But I eventually learned that you're supposed to tie up the hair in the back of the head, not on the sides. For the last part of this doll, I made the accessories. For the shoes, I turned Viperine's boots into these cute things. I then made star earrings out of Apoxie Sculpt and randomly decided to make a Murakami flower bag. This was a bit confusing and really on the spot, so if you want to see how I made it, go ahead and comment it. Now for the final reveal. Meet Violet. I know the name is a bit opposite from her main color, which is pink, but I think it's quite funny and I think the name really suits her. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this doll as much as I do. Be sure to check out my Etsy shop where you can get this doll, and like and subscribe. Bye!